Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to get message reminders from everyone on Instagram so you never miss a DM again. Whether you're waiting for an important message or just want to stay on top of your conversations, this quick update will help you customize your notifications perfectly. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, look for the three horizontal lines icon, that's the menu, located at the top right of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu options. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram lets you control everything about your account, including notifications. After entering the settings, find and select Notifications. This section manages all the alerts you get from Instagram, from likes to comments and, of course, messages. Now, tap on Messages. Here, you'll see all the options related to how Instagram notifies you about direct messages. Look for Message Reminders. This is the key setting that controls who can send you reminders for messages. By default, Instagram might limit these reminders to people you follow or have interacted with. To change that, simply select From Everyone. This means you'll get message reminders from every Instagram user, so no message will slip through unnoticed. And that's it. You've successfully set your Instagram to send you message reminders from everyone. This is especially useful if you want to stay connected with new followers, friends, or even business contacts without worrying about missing their messages. Remember, you can always go back and adjust these settings if you want to limit notifications later on. But for now, enjoy the peace of mind knowing you'll be alerted to every message that comes your way. Thanks for watching.